Okay, so everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I want this specific bar that you see here in front of your eyes. And yes, it's an AW beat. Now, real quick, that's what I'm about hunting. Yep, it's a gun. I know, it sounds stupid, but come on now. But anyways, this color right here specifically is, well, I mean, it's my dream car. So, what makes this my dream car? Maybe cheap. Cheap. This is the word to use here. Well, let's have a look under the hood. Yep, that is engine. A car. This is a 1 liter 4-cylinder engine. Yes, it doesn't sound special or anything, especially it's copyrighted ancient technology. Let's just wait to see if you okay. I don't know if it's a real plate or not. Hopefully it doesn't. The only thing is it's a very normal plate. I hope I don't offend any people here. Trunk space, I would say it's acceptable for a coupe. Though, AW, or VW in real life, at least, what this is called, describes based on the VW Polo, or this particular variant is called the VW Derby, but that was changed in second gen Mach 1, Mach 2 Polo came out, it was changed to the Polo Classic, which I don't really understand where that name's come from, because it doesn't look like, it doesn't look like classic now, sort of wheels and that sort of stuff, but I don't really get where, hell, I wouldn't even get where the Derby was, but like it's probably something. This car has 40 horsepower, 74 newton-meters of torque, top speed of around 135 km per hour, full speed manual transmission, front wheel drive. Carbureted, of course, as I said. It's got a single exhaust, and it's halogen lights, of course, as expect. It has a rear reflector for fog lamps. Surprisingly, yes, this car has fog lamps, even for a base model. Quite surprising. Usually don't see fog lamps in cars like these, but here we are. Now, let's get in and do some testing, shall we? The first test I want to find out about this car is that, can you take a jump? Small jump. There you go, rev it up, and launch it. Dump the clutch, roaring start, for a 1 liter engine. So it's no car anyway. Yes, it can. Okay, so can it withstand a brick wall? Probably not. Don't really recognize our damage, it's just my fault. I know it's not the safest car in the world, but let's do a head-on crash. Oh. Yeah, no, that's not safe at all. Can you get out of here? Well, you can. It is as a plus, but yeah, you don't have any airbags. They have seats. This car, for some reason, BeamNG cars, they don't have seatbelts, which is kind of weird. Right, let's do the next test. I usually start the car doing that. Yeah. Next test is, oh, the reverse donut. I am really being serious right now. This is a donut. I don't know why the car is doing this, but this one is just open differential nature. Right. Let's do suspension testing. For this test, I want to see how the car reacts to bumps and whatnot. So let's just that. This is automatic mode to make it easier. Yeah, it reacted well. Alright, let's deviate off the bumps and let's go to the hard ones. I'm really being serious pushing this car to its limit, but it's unscientific, yes, probably, but who cares about scientific testing anyway, so just having fun here. No, this is not for promoting anything that... Please don't take this on a serious note, I'm just doing some testing on the car here, and an entirely finished run too, so it's not to offend anyone. Oh, it's really bumpy. I don't show interior cameras, then of course much of thickness. Also the voice sounds a little different in the last video. That's because I've nice anyway. Hold. God, worst time to have content. Eh? Anyway. Alright, here we go. Yeah, I mean text went really well. Let's do another test. Alright, let's go full speed into this thing. Full speed, this will kill the car. Yeah. Oh my god, this is such a pleasant, yeah. Okay, nope. Damage the fuel tank, that's what happens. And the front suspension. I'm stuck. Oh my god, I just damaged the fuel tank. How? Hold on. I just damaged the fuel tank? Wait, hold on. Just get on this. Okay. Alright. Oh, man. Oh, engine disabled. Nice, okay. How did I rupture the gas tank? Hold on. Yes, the gun does work. Okay. How do I rupture the gas tank? Oh my god, I just dented the gas tank. I think that caused a leak. Right, so this car is weaker than I thought. Interesting. Alright, this is the next test. Now this test is a bit silly to be honest. And that's because this is an off-road test. I know what I would do via the Polo. You know, sorry, not the Polo. The Beats, just going off-roading. Remember, this is the old generation. Yeah, baby, let's go. This is how basically people are having fun in, crap boxes. I don't want to say the name because I don't really monetize for YouTube. Yeah, censoring, please, for the love of God. Reverse 180. Eat, let's go. Alright. Ooh. Alright, here we go. Oh my god. I came in at the wrong angle. Well, the car still works. I just need to destroy it until it doesn't work. So, how about that? Maybe it's already dense. Okay, this might be a bit too much. Yeah. That was too much. Oops. Well, let me guess what you want, picture. So that's worse actually. I think about it. So that's worse. Yes, all the headlights work. Do work. Do work. That's taking it home. Nice. Anyway, that was one number two. Partial of BeamNG. I mentioned it. But does this car have enough power to do the handbrake trick? What do you do? It's just to hold the handbrake down. Basically pull the handbrake. Just let the car drive on the front wheels. Now this is a trained drivers to drive on ice. Now this is not scientifically accurate, not scientific accurate of how you drive on ice, but it's something like this probably. Not scientifically of course, because there is funny enough tests for ice, so just disengage the handbrake real quick so you can drive again. In the terrain type section of grid map, there is what is simply ice or black ice in the situation. See, I slip. The wheels cannot maintain contact on the ground. Maintain contact. Such an ice is completely lost control. Go to mud, for example. or sinks. It won't get stuck probably. No, it won't. Yeah, it's just how vibing. German cars for some reasons are known to be tough, but they're not tough as Japanese cars, which is kind of weird. No, I'm not getting into that. Don't tell me about even VW sites really much higher lux. Yeah, no, that's not great. Don't want to ruin the reputation. Don't ruin not in the diesel gates, come on. I mean, AW probably has similar experience, you know. Probably a little better, a little worse way nowadays. This brand doesn't really exist anymore. AW, they don't really exist. It's a basically subsidiary of ETK, which is kind of a weird thing because, like, ETK is technically a German brand as well, but they also own AW, which is kind of weird because it's like the opposite of in real life. Well, it's not really something it's mentioned in the game, but you get the idea. The impression of a big company like that, like this one is pretty, it's like, it's common knowledge that companies would try to do that, right? Smaller companies, in bankruptcy, it's plausible, yeah. I just love this thing, it's super fun to chuck it around, and it works. It absolutely works. It does. Totally does. Look at that. Oh my god. Now let's learn this a little bit, but this car has a custom J-beam. So we just do this Shift Control W to look at the same time. And as you can see, debug menu. Have to where you can mesh and beam. Let's go for the Wii version, it's simple, and then mesh visibility turned off. You can see all the beams that made up the car. Right. So rough. So let's open all latches. Lights. Yeah, it's a green rod. Now, this is just one. But this is my favorite one. I mean, come on, who doesn't love, Corbane or something of the sort, right? God, I just feel that. That's what probably. I mean, he does have seat probably in real life. Well, in this game doesn't, because, well, here there's like, there's no people inside the car anyways. You can just chuck this thing around, like, you can just do slalom tests, and it will fail. Just push it way too hard. Like, that's like intense and all gets to figuring out. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video today, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video, or else this car will come to haunt you tonight. I'm very sorry if this car haunts you tonight. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.